The Adventures of Six Friends. Chapter 1. 6 Friends. There lived 6 little children, clever, fat, noisy, naughty, slow, and funny. They were all 8 years old. Clever was a nice little girl. She was short and thin. She had long dark hair and big brown eyes. She liked reading, and she was very clever. Fat was a nice little boy. He was short and fat. He had short fair hair and grey eyes. He liked eating very much. Noisy was a nice little girl. She was tall and slim. She had long fair hair and big blue eyes. She liked talking, and she was very noisy. Naughty was a nice little boy. He was tall and thin. He had short curly brown hair and big blue eyes. He liked riding a bike, and he was very naughty. Slow was a nice little girl. She was short and plump. She had long curly dark hair and brown eyes. She liked wearing beautiful clothes, but she was very slow. Funny was a nice little boy. He was tall and thin. He had short fair hair and dark eyes. He liked walking, and he was very funny. They were in the same form, and they were friends.